Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can freeze or block your Revolut card. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, of course, you will open your Revolut app or your website, whatever is available on your country, and then you will log into your account, and then you will go to the card section, which is on the bottom menu, and then you will select the card that you would want to block. Tap freeze card and then toggle on. For permanent block, you will tap block card and then you will confirm with PIN or 2FA. Card is now frozen or blocked and it cannot be used for transactions. To unfreeze, you will just have to toggle freeze card anytime. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.